Hello children, a very good morning to you all. I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. Yes, good. Okay, today our class is grade 2 English. Okay, that we are going to see Unit 2 prose. The title of the prose is I Want. Okay, so before going into the story, shall we have a recap on what we have seen? Yes, in the previous class we have seen about a poem, right? What is the poem name, children? Yes, I am lucky. I am lucky is the poem name, and I hope all have learned the poem, right? Good. Okay, shall we move to the story? Yes, okay. The story I want is about a little monkey, okay? I want. The story is about a little monkey. So, once there lived a little monkey. He was very happy, okay? One day he was thinking and saying like, I want to be big. So the monkey was saying, I want to be big and I want to be strong. I want to be big and I want to be strong. Okay. Next, that time a wise woman, she came near to the monkey. A wise woman, she came near to the monkey and she hears what the monkey was saying. What the monkey said, children? Yes, I want to be big. I want to be strong. Okay. So after that, the wise woman, she take a magic wand and she gave it to monkey. Take this magic wand. She says to monkey, take this magic wand and all your wishes can come true. So the woman, she was saying to monkey that take this magic wand and your wishes can come true. If you use this magic wand, whatever you think, that wishes will come true. Okay. So monkey was very happy. Yes, children. Okay. Next, that time a giraffe comes near to the monkey. Giraffe comes by, he stretches his long neck. So giraffe has long neck, right? See in the picture, giraffe is having long neck. So giraffe, he eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. So giraffe eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees where the monkey is sitting, right? Yes. So monkey was seeing that giraffe eating the leaves now. So after that the monkey thought, okay, I also want a long neck. So the monkey says, I also want a long neck. Then he uses the magic wand. I want a long neck. See, says the little monkey. Okay. So what happened? Pop. The magic is there. The magic is happening there. Okay. So see what happened to the monkey? Yeah, the monkey has the neck, very long neck. Okay, like giraffe. So his neck grows long, just like the giraffes. Monkey was happy. It is very happy. The little monkey is happy. You also happy, children? Yes. Next, and then an elephant comes down to the river. See, there is a river near to the tree where the monkey is sitting. So elephant comes to the river to drink water. Okay. So elephant, what he is doing? He fills his trunk with water. Where is the trunk? See here. He fills his trunk with water. Okay, children. So the elephant, what it does, he fills the water through his trunk and he blows it all over himself. See in the picture, the an elephant, what it is doing? It is blowing the water over himself. He is playing, right? So the monkey was seeing this and he wants to be like that. He wants the trunk like the elephant. Okay, so after that what happened? I want to do that too, says little monkey. So the monkey was saying, I also wanted to do like what the elephant is doing. Okay, so he again uses the magic wand, saying that I also want the trunk. So the magic comes, bang. Yes, so now magic comes. See, next what happened? Just like that, he grows a trunk. See the monkey's trunk. Yes, like an elephant. The monkey is also having trunk. So monkey is very happy. Okay. Next, the monkey says, this is fun. He says, this is fun. He was happy, no? After getting the trunk like elephant. Yes, good. Next comes the zebra. Okay, the little monkey sees a zebra. Where is zebra, children? Yes, here. So the little monkey sees a zebra. Next, the monkey was, after seeing the zebra, it is very beautiful, no? The zebra is having stripes all over the body, right? See, the zebra is having stripes, yes? So, the monkey, what he thinks, I also wanted stripes like, it is very beautiful, so I also want like that. So, after using the magic wand, he says, I want stripes like those, okay? So, magic now again, the magic is coming, yes, whiz. Okay, so see what happened to the monkey, children? Yes, the little monkey has stripes all over the body, just like zebra. Yes, very happy now that monkey is. See, he's very happy. Okay. Next, what happened? Okay, after getting all this thing, the monkey decided to go to the river to try out his new trunk. See, he wants to try out the new trunk. Through that, he also wanted to do like the elephant. What did the elephant did? He uses the trunk to get the water and he blows out himself, right, all over his body, right? Similarly, the monkey also wanted to try like that. Yes, children. So, the monkey, what he did? He goes to the river to try out his new trunk, okay? So, after what happened, children? See, in the picture, the monkey sees himself in the water. Yeah, he looks down. He looks down and he sees himself in the water. So he looks down. See how the monkey is having trunk, giraffe, snake, and stripes of the zebra, right? So he was seeing all these things in the water. Okay. Next, what happened? So sad, no, the monkey was not looking good, right? So monkey started to cry. He's calling his mother. Mother, he cries, help! A monster. After seeing his face itself in the water, the monkey started to cry and calling for help as he seen a monster. He didn't know, right? That is himself, right? The monkey doesn't know that is his face, his body. Okay? So he started to cry. Okay. That time, after hearing the sound of little monkey, the mother monkey came. So the mother monkey said, that's not a monster, child. Says his mother, that's not a monster, baby. It's that you. It's you only. Your face only. Okay. The monkey was saying to the little monkey, like, that is not monster. That is you. Okay. So, next what happened? After saying that, the mother monkey was saying to little monkey that you want giraffe snake. You asked for giraffe snake. Next, you asked for elephant's trunk. So you also asked for elephant's trunk. And also you wanted the stripes like zebra. So you also asked for stripes like zebra, right? Using the magic wand, the little monkey was asking all these things. No? What are the things the little monkey asked? Yes, giraffe's long neck, elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra. Yes, so all of these things came to you. So don't you remember, child? The mother monkey was asking to the little monkey as, don't you remember that? Yes. Then the little monkey realizes, it was saying, oh, yes, it's me only, it's my mistake. So the little monkey cries and cries, I don't want this. Yes. So the little monkey cries and cries. Okay. Next, what happened? Then the little monkey say, I look awful. I look very ugly. I was not looking good. So the monkey was crying, right? So sad, no, children? See? Then monkey said, I want to be myself again. I don't want to be like this. I don't want the elephant's trunk. I don't want the giraffe snake. I don't want the zebra stripes. Okay. So I don't want all these things. I only want to be myself. So again the monkey uses the magic wand and said, I want to be myself again. Okay. So after that the magic is happening. Whiz, pop, bang. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Okay. So after that, what happened, children? Yes, the little monkey is himself again. See in the picture, after using the magic wand, the little monkey he himself again. Yes, good. So after that, what happened, children? Yes, he jumps for joy. He was jumping with joy and happiness because he became as monkey again. So he was back to the normal. Okay. He throws the magic wand into the river, the magic wand, right? What it do? It creates the magic, no? So he don't want that magic wand. Because of that magic wand only, he was using all the things with wrong things, no? So he don't want the magic wand. So he throws the magic wand into the river. Okay, children. So the little monkey said to mother monkey that I never want to be anyone else again. So I don't want to be anyone else. I want to be myself. Okay. So that's the story, children. This is very interesting story, no? So the children, you also have to be like yourself. You don't want to try to be others like others. Okay. So be yourself, and that is the unique quality in ours. Okay, children. Very good. Okay. Next, shall we pass on to the activity? The activity is in page number 24. Let's write an act. Okay. So filling the blanks using the hint words given below. So there are hint words given below. You have to fill the blanks with the words given below. Okay. If I were a kangaroo, I would hop, right? If I were a tiger, I would roar. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly, right? So you have to fill the answers in the blanks given. Okay. Next is the page number 26. Join the two words to make one word. Okay. So here we have given two words. Peace. First one, peace plus full. Okay. So you have to join the two words and you have to write in the boxes given. So peace plus full equal to peaceful, right? Similarly, other words, play plus full, playful, color plus full, colorful, care plus full, careful, hope plus full, hopeful. Okay, so you have to join the two words and to make a one word. Okay, children, I hope you have all enjoyed the class. Yes, okay, thank you. We'll meet in the next class.